This projector is built for professional environments where brightness, clarity, and reliability matter above all. The Panasonic PT-WXGA is designed for offices, classrooms, and meeting rooms where a crisp, clear image is critical, even under strong ambient lighting. Unlike home theater models, it doesn't try to impress with flashy features. It focuses on getting the job done efficiently and consistently. At the heart of this projector is a 6,200 lumen laser light source. That level of brightness makes presentations legible and vibrant even in rooms with bright overhead lights or sunlight streaming in. Text, charts, and videos are clear without needing to dim the room, which is a huge advantage for professional settings. This makes it ideal for business presentations, training sessions, and classroom lectures where visibility is key. The WXGA resolution strikes a perfect balance between usability and performance. While it's not designed for ultra-detailed cinematic visuals, it delivers sharp and readable content for slides, spreadsheets, diagrams, and other professional materials. It handles motion video smoothly, making it suitable for educational content, training videos, and office presentations without any strain on the system. One of the major benefits of the PT-WXGA is its laser technology. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, the laser light source offers a longer lifespan, consistent brightness over time, and less maintenance. There's no need for frequent lamp replacements, and performance doesn't drop as the device ages. This reduces long-term costs and downtime, making it a smart investment for offices and institutions that need a reliable tool day after day. Color accuracy and image performance are optimized for visibility rather than cinematic fidelity. This means slides, graphs, and images remain vibrant and easy to read, even in brightly lit rooms. You won't get washed-out visuals, and everything maintains a professional, clear look that's easy for audiences to engage with. Installation and setup are straightforward. The PT-WXGA offers flexible placement options, including ceiling mounts or tabletop setups, and features lens shift and keystone correction to quickly adjust the image. You won't waste time fiddling with the setup. It's designed for fast and reliable operation. Connectivity is versatile, supporting multiple inputs including HDMI, VGA, and other standard connections. This ensures compatibility with laptops, media players, and other devices typically used in professional environments. Switching between sources is simple, which is essential during meetings or lectures with multiple presenters. The projector is also quiet during operation, which prevents distracting background noise during presentations. In professional settings, this subtle detail makes a significant difference, allowing audiences to focus entirely on the content without being disturbed by fan noise. Durability is another standout feature. This projector is built to run for extended periods without issues, handling frequent daily use in classrooms or meeting rooms without degradation in performance. When comparing laser projectors to lamp-based models, the benefits are clear: faster startup, longer lifespan, consistent brightness, and minimal maintenance make the PT-WXGA a future-proof solution for professional use. Overall, the Panasonic PT-WXGA is designed to deliver exactly what a business or educational environment needs: high brightness, reliable performance, flexible installation, and minimal maintenance. It's a dependable tool for anyone looking to make presentations, lectures, or collaborative meetings more effective. If you want to buy this Panasonic PT-WXGA projector, check the link in the description to upgrade your professional setup today.